Hi, I'm Mark Joseph. I'm going to show you how Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft PowerPoint can be used for your business applications. Here, Microsoft Word is a word processing document, and you can use this to create business plans, communicate with your employees, or just put out a memo to your suppliers. Microsoft Excel allows you to track your finances. You can start here with a startup expenses document. Track what you spent, track how much money you have left, and keep a running total. Microsoft PowerPoint allows you to deliver dynamic presentations on any topic you see fit. You can include video, audio, and photos to deliver your message. And that's how you use Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for business applications.